Okay, good afternoon student. Now we are going to discuss about type of chemical reaction. Within that, first one chemical combination, another name for this one is chemical composition, one more name is chemical synthesis reaction. Generally they will call synthesis reaction. Okay, so as you know, already know, I think so, you know about reactant and product. Okay, in the chemical equation, suppose this is an chemical equation, A plus B is equal to gives rise to C. Here left side is n which are involving in a change, I mean which are undergoing the change, for them we are now going to call as a reactant, and after the reaction, after the chemical reaction, we are going to get a new substance, for them we are going to call as product. And before the arrow mark, things are there, name term as a reactant, after the arrow mark we are going to write about the product. Okay, and the direction of arrow mark towards always towards the reactant. This is the condition. This indicate direction of where change is going to occur. Where change is going to occur. Now we discuss about chemical combination reaction. Okay, so what do you mean by the combination? Combination means nothing but combining. Combination is a combining. Okay, combining. Here two or more reactant will be there, two or more reactants are there, okay, and they are combining together and they are forming only one product. How many products they are going to form? They has to produce only one product. Here two or more, it may be two, only two, or it may be more than two, they are going to react and they are forming only one product. This is the condition, it should form a single product, then it is termed as chemical combination reaction. Two or more reactant reacting each other to form single product is called as chemical composition or chemical combination or synthesis reaction we are going to call. I hope so you got clarity about definition. Two or more reactant are reacting to each other and they are forming only one product or single product is called as chemical composition or chemical combination, or simply we are going to call as synthesis reaction. Here example I will take here, I will take magnesium, okay, magnesium is going to react with an oxygen, it is going to form magnesium oxide, it is going to form magnesium oxide. Okay, this one we can represent like this, we have a magnesium, it is going to react with an oxygen, it is going to form a magnesium oxide. Okay, here two magnesium, here how many reactants are there? Magnesium is one reactant, oxygen is one more reactant, both are reacting and they are forming a single substance, that is magnesium oxide. This is about the combination reaction. Two or more than two reactant reacting each other to form single substance. This kind of reaction we are termed as chemical combination. We are calling as chemical combination or composition or synthesis reaction. Okay. So based upon the kind of reactant, which kind of reactant we are going to use now, depending upon that we are going to classify again into three categories, three types. First one is, suppose we are using element plus element, what we will get? We will get a compound. This is one category. This is one category. We are element. Suppose I will take magnesium. It is going to react with oxygen. It is also element. It is also element. Element means you know already. Element is a nothing but substance which is made up of same kind of atom. There should be only one kind of atom. This is an magnesium made up of only magnesium. This is an O2 oxygen made up of only oxygen. Two atoms of oxygen are there. Okay, they are reacting and they are forming magnesium oxide. No, don't worry about balancing of equation here. Magnesium is going to react with an oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Element plus element gives rise to compound. This is one kind. One more is an element plus compound I am taking. Element plus compound gives rise to again compound only we are going to get. This is another kind. Okay, example what we can take, element is oxygen I will take, and I will take compound is carbon monoxide gives rise to carbon dioxide. Yes, here 2 magnesium, 2 magnesium, here 2 oxygen, here 2 carbon monoxide, 2 here. So oxygen 2 2 is 4, 2 oxygen, here 2 oxygen, 4 oxygen, 2 carbon, 2 carbon. This is element plus compound gives rise to compound. Third one is that compound plus compound gives rise to again compound. Compound plus compound gives rise to again compound. Example, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide plus H2 gives rise to calcium hydroxide. Gives rise to calcium hydroxide. This is a compound, this is a compound, both are going to react and they are forming one more compound. This is also combination reaction only. Difference is element plus element gives rise to compound, element plus compound is also going to give rise to compound, compound and compound is also going to give rise to again compound. 3 categories are there, combination reaction. Okay, all are called as chemical combination or chemical composition, or simply we are going to call as synthesis reaction. This is about the combination reaction. What is the condition here? There are 2 or more reactants are going to react themselves and they have to form single substance. Here you can observe single substance. Magnesium oxide is a single substance. Carbon dioxide is also single substance. Calcium hydroxide is also called as also single substance. One more thing is, this one is called as quicklime. Calcium oxide we are going to call as quicklime. Okay, and calcium hydroxide we are going to call as slicklime. Please keep in mind. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe. If you subscribed already, please click the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Thank you.